Hello friends, this is Ashwani Parekh. I'm back with my one more tutorial which is based on Glassmorphism. So let's begin. So to begin with, I will open a new document, and here I will place any images if you want. I will use uh, this image which I downloaded from Getty Images. Let's place it over here. So the shortcut which I've used to place this image is Control Shift P, and for Mac users is Command Shift P. So there it is. Perfect. I will adjust my artboard according to it because I don't want to stretch it further more. So now what next? Let's duplicate this image. Okay, so for that the shortcut is Command Shift C and F, and for Windows user is Control Shift C and F. Now uh, I will go to effect and I will choose blur tool, and here I will go to Gaussian blur. Yeah, so let's select some good pixel radius so that we can get a nice effect. I will go for 30. It's looking a little bit nice, so I will go ahead with this one. You can choose according to your design and your preference, that's not constrained. And after this I will go to effect, and then I have to add a green. uh, Green, what it will do, it will give a nice grainy effect, nice noise effect, nice texture in that particular artwork. Okay, and I will place with some intensity. If I choose 20, you will see that it will go more clean, but I don't want that much clean, so I will go for 25. Yeah, that's perfect for me. I'll then hit OK. Mm, it has, but it's not much more, which is good for me. So I'll go there again, apply new effect, and increase its intensity by 35. All right, okay. And now we can see that they are a little bit green effect, because mostly it's because of its very high res image, so that's why we are unable to see its texture and its noise. So half of things are done. Now I will choose ellipse tool. Okay, I believe this is fine. I'll place it center of the artboard. And again we have to duplicate this same command C and F with along with command and control. And next step I will choose this one and this one and hit control or command 7. This is a shortcut of clipping mask. Okay, you can also choose this from here, undo clipping mask. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, and okay, this is bugging me a lot, so I will lock this. So for that the shortcut is command 2. This will get locked. Okay, now I will choose this one and I will send it to back, not backward, send it to back. Okay, and choose this one, this ellipse tool, and disable its foreground color and choose outline and apply a gradient in it. Let's use white and black. Okay, and its angle to 120. I believe 120 is efficient for me because it's give me an angular form. And after that I will increase its stroke to 2 points. So what will it do? It will give me a border, a perfect round border, which will create a depth in this image. Okay, and post this I will duplicate it again and place it over here, and change its gradient from outline to foreground. This one, perfect. And you can change its angular because for me this angular is not up, as per as my need. You can change it according to your need. Okay. Let's change its direction from here to here. Let's increase. Yeah, perfect. This is nice. I like it. Okay. Now, change its opacity to 15 or 19, according to your needs. But main objective is to lower its visibility. I mean, lower its opacity, which will give us the reflection kind of effect in this proper frame. So now you can see that our artwork is almost ready. There's something which is missing. I like garnishing on your food. uh, let's change this mode to screen. So as I involve skin, you can see that this area is lit up. And let's just this is perfect. Use multiply because I like this multiply effect very nicely, and this Glassmorphism tutorial is ready. So cheers guys, and hope to see new creatives again. And I will be back next week with my one more tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.